Everybody fucking jump!
Okay, everybody, welcome back to the Ozone Shoe Believers. Let's get this one underway. Get this label on here. This shoe reads the Air Trainer 1 SP DK Smoke Gray Black Iron Gray. Now, depending on where you're at, you might call these shoes the Bo Jacksons. Nike has been releasing a slew of them lately. So I got my hands on some. I'm going through them now. I'll show you this one first. Alright. Give you my opinion. It's pretty good shoe. Supposed to be able to do all types of stuff in this shoe. I see the standard strap they have on here. They changed it up a bit. It's not Velcro. It's a book bag type snap. Nike logo, all types of materials. It's like backpack material. It has some of that post-consumer stuff on there though, but that's okay. It's not that much in here. It's like 2%. So you get the Nike Air on the back. Yellow outsole. 3M on the shoe, and it's supposed to be some iridescence on here so people don't hit you while you're road jogging. That into the picture, guys. I'm sorry about that. Get this light on. Seems like a pretty decent bottom. You'll have traction. Not the best traction I see, but I guess this has to help you out when you're weightlifting or powerlifting or whatever else you're supposed to do in this shoe. It's an overall cross trainer. You guys see the top of the shoe, them 3M hits, as you can see on the front of the shoe shining. Like I said, so you don't get hit by cars or whatever. You see it all on the side, so nobody can't say they missed you or they couldn't see you in this shoe for sure. There's some of the iridescence in there behind the Nike logo. I don't know, pretty good shoe. Like I said, if you're into physical fitness or any type of health or sport, can't see why you wouldn't want to wear the Air Trainer. Even the Nike Air in the back is 3M. This shoe is outstanding. You get these shoes for pretty cheap as well. I don't think they did too well. Like I said, I got these all for under retail. Way under retail, so you should be able to too. We'll do a little bit of looking. This is one of my favorite ones, maybe the light blue one as well. Sorry about that, guys. I'll give you a look at the shoe, what the shoe's gonna look like when it's on your foot. Let me know what you guys think about these Air Trainers, aka the Bo Jacksons. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Let me know what shoes you want to see on the channel next. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!